Know what it is, goddamn me. My space is running low on my phone, goddamn me. So y'all couldn't see me from the beginning, from start to finish, but this is what I'm having right here, goddamn me. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what it is. Baked chicken, and as y'all can see, that's a baked potato with both type of shredded cheese, a little salt, pepper, and garlic, sour cream, and some broccoli. Nothing too much major, nothing too simple, nothing too major, just simple today, I've been working like 7 days a week. That's the only reason why I ain't been cooking for real. But I had to do a little something tonight. Yeah, let me go ahead and take this on down through there on there. Y'all already know what it is. Goddamn me. Yummy. Actually, let me go ahead and taste this. And dig on in. Get a little. Goddamn me. Look at that. Look how that cheese pulling and melting up off that joker right there. Oh man, I gotta give me another bite of that. Goddamn me. I gotta go. I'm finna go down. I gotta go.